the thing. I was running low on my Dawn Powerwash, and I headed to the store and I was getting ready to buy a refill bottle until I saw that the price went up. And I had this small thought. I was like, I wonder if I can make this myself. So I left the store empty-handed. I came home and I told my husband that I think I want to start making our own cleaning products. And of course he looked at me like I was crazy. But for me, between inflation and skeptical ingredients, it's really hard right now to know which cleaning products we should be buying and what brands we should trust. Because we tried them all. We went from bleach to Mrs. Meyer's back to Lysol. And Lysol really is my favorite commercial cleaner because it doesn't smell super strong like Clorox does. And I trust that it's going to do its job. I really did want to love the natural cleaning brands like Method and Mrs. Meyer's, but I just couldn't tell if it was cleaning good enough, and my husband never really got on board. So here I am with a few natural cleaning ingredients that I know and trust, and I am determined to start making my own cleaning products. Today we will be making an all-purpose cleaner. My house is a hot mess right now, so I have some tidying up to do. So I'm going to be sharing that recipe with you today. You'll be making that recipe with me, and we'll be putting the cleaning recipe to the test to see how well it cleans. I did refill my Powerwash bottle myself, and I have to say that it worked. Here it is. So I will be sharing this recipe on my website, and it's going to be linked down in the description box below in case you want to DIY this too and save yourself some money. So let's get started. Hi Rainbow. Hi pretty girl. How's mama's girl? I hate it when the house is a mess. It really affects my mood. So I just wanted to show you guys that this DIY Dawn Powerwash refill hack really does work. Look. Look at that foaming action. So again, if you want the recipe, I will link it in the description box below.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto your taste. It's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to...
So I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I got from Amazon to make making my own cleaning products easier. So I bought this bundle of 10 2-ounce spray bottles in amber brown. I just love this color. I think it looks so sleek and modern. And then I also got these 16-ounce glass bottles. 9 of them came in the package for $24, I think it was. It also came with a funnel you see back there and these spray nozzles. For this all-purpose cleaner DIY recipe, we're going to need 3/4 cups of distilled water, about 10 drops of essential oils for fragrance of your choice. This step is optional. And we need 3/4 cups of white distilled vinegar.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget.
There you have it, guys. This is my vinegar mix all-purpose cleaner. This took literally less than 5 minutes to make. So I'm going to grab my microfiber cleaning cloth. We're going to put this to the test and wipe down these countertops and see how it does.
I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt
Okay, so overall, my first impression of my DIY all-purpose cleaner is not too bad. I'm pretty impressed, but I do gotta say though, it was definitely a lot more slippery than I guess I thought it would be. But duh, it is just water and vinegar. But I think for me personally, being so accustomed to using store-bought cleaners, what I need so that I can make sure I feel the texture of the cleaning products that I'm using, because that's kind of what I'm accustomed to, is the next time I make this recipe, I'm just gonna add some Castile soap. Noah came down the stairs to get a snack and he was like, what is that smell? Yes, the vinegar smell is kind of strong, just a little bit. The essential oils was not able to peek through yet, but I have heard that the longer the vinegar mix, the all-purpose cleaner sits, the vinegar smell will begin to dilute. So I'm hoping that that happens, because yeah, the smell is kind of strong in here, just a little bit.